Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Software System. So today we'll talk about what is web services. So let's see. So what is web services? Web services are the information exchange system that uses the internet for direct application to application interaction. If I say in the simple definition, web services are the services that is offered over the internet. It means you have developed any services or any basic type of services and that is available to use for a larger audience. So that is so called a web services. So if I see the example here, suppose I have developed one calculator or any normal method like that will add a two number. But if I want that method, I have written in my computer, but I want that method has to be accessed by all over the world. So how it can be accessed by all over the world? Then what I have to do? This method I have to deploy on one server. So it that server will be get connected to the internet, so it can be used by the multiple person. So if I write one method like that will add a two number, and if I deploy to the server and that server is connected to the internet, and if somebody wanted to use that service, if I am providing one service like addition of two number, if the one client want to use that service, then that client will give a input like 2 and 3, then what that request will come to that server and that server will execute that request and that will give a output to that client like output 5. So that is how the web services work. So I have given a very basic definition. So suppose weather forecasting application, if you see, so weather forecasting, how it is developed, it is developed by putting a lot of devices at lot of home. So that will collect the data of transmission antenna with the help of that, and they collect for particular company, they develop those data and they provide the services to the other applications. So what the other applications are doing, they are just requesting to those applications and getting the information and displaying in their websites. So like that, everything is getting connected by the web services itself. So any company is providing a service and you want to consume those services and you want to display in your website, then you can use the web services for anything. So let's see how the web services are getting developed and how things are getting used. So one more thing, if you see here, web services can be written in any language, and the best thing about the web services, it can be written in any language and it can consumed by any language. Suppose the web service is written in Java, then Java application can be consumed C, PHP, .NET. It can be consumed from mobile browser, mobile device, laptop, any from anything it can be consumed. And the rest is nothing but if you heard about, the rest is just a advanced version of the web services. Just we need to follow some guideline and architecture style. And if we see the web services, we type anything that will be accessed by the in the form of whatever we call the web server. It will return some data like HTML, XML, JSON binary that we render at the browser side and that we display it. So if we say in the common term, web services are nothing but just providing a services over the internet, so anybody can consume that. And you can also develop lot of web services and you can provide a service. For that you can provide a free chargeable service, you can get paid for that, you can provide a free service. But the thing here, you have to deploy at the server so it is reachable to the larger audience. Thank you all. I will try to develop one web services. I'll show you how it can be developed, how it can be consumed. So basically, I wanted to give an overview here, and I will give a definitely. I'll make one detailed video so where we can talk about how the web services works fully technically. So this is kind of a non-technical. Yeah. So thank you all, and just please below comment for if you have any suggestion.